How to manage and remove linked devices on WhatsApp. If you want to check which devices are connected to your WhatsApp account or remove a device you no longer use, follow these simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Linked Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices currently linked to your WhatsApp account. Check the list and look for any device you don't recognize or no longer use. To remove a device, tap on the device name. Tap Log Out. The selected device will now be logged out of your WhatsApp account. You can repeat these steps to remove any other unwanted devices. It's a good idea to regularly check your linked devices to make sure only trusted devices have access to your account. And that's it. That's how you can manage and remove linked devices on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.